408 days ago, another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel and in Gaza. And the war is still going on. Welcome back with the regular puzzles. The regular puzzles of today's newspaper on Monday, November the 18th, 2024. We have not so good news because we have only 3 regular puzzles, and one of those I've already solved, the 3 Stars Sudoku, so 2 puzzles are left, the binary and the 4 Stars Sudoku. So in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, only these 3 regular puzzles. And the puzzle I will continue is the 4 Stars Sudoku number 9613. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. Usually the 4 stars has 24. It's an indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. Well, usually the 4 stars has 24. This one has 25. Should be at 3 stars. And for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, question is it 3 stars or 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we'll see. So let's get started. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so there's a 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above no need to place left, the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there, 1, 1. 2 in this row, first row, 2 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 3 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 in that column, no 2 there, the only place left, the 2 should be there. Alright. Well, 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above, so that row the only 2 places left, 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in the second column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Well, 3, 1, 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left, 7 should be there. One of the missing number in this row is number 6. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. We have a 6 in the column next, no 6 there. The only place left 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these 2 boxes. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left with 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8, 8, 8, 8. And need 8 here. Need a 9. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Let me mark those. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Eight. Let me think. 5, 5. Come on. 3, 3. I need 6 here. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. The only place left for 6 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 place level the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. Alright. Then, let me see. 2, 2. Need a 2 there, need a 2 here. Need 2 there. In this big square, we need a 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 in this box. So 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the first column, the only place level 2 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left with 5 in this column should be there. Alright. Need a 5 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have 5 in this row, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 3, 3. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. That means here should be also 2 and a 4. Here we have another pair, the 8 and the 9. So here 2 and the 4, we have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. 4, 3, 9. 4, 4. Well, need a 5, need a 3. In this column, we need a 3 here. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column 3. No, only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, so in the third row. Only 2 places level 3 could be here or there. Well, I think the 3 should be there because in this first column we need a 3. Here can be 3, we have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. Here can be 3, we have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. The only place level 3 should be there. Well, well, 2 numbers left now in the first column. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. Here also 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Then 1, 1. Need a 8, need a 7 here. 2, 4, need a 4 here. Need a 4 here. Okay. In this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. Well, here can be 4 because we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this big square, so no 4 there. Here can be 4, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. Here can be 4, we have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. So the 4 in this row could be here or there. Here or there we see another 4 in this column, no 4 there. The only place level 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column 3. The only place level 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, so last row, the only place level 4 should be there. 4, 4, okay. Then 1, 2, need 3, need a 7. Two in this column, 2 in the column next and last column. The only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Mark those 2 boxes with the 2. We have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. From the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7. 1 and the 7. Here also 1 and the 7. Here 1 box left in this column for the bar. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6, the 7. The 8, 9 is missing here. Alright. Need the 8 here. 3, 3. Well, need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Need an 8 here. Need a 4 here. How about 3, 8, and the 7? Yeah. 3, 8, and 7. Huh. 1, 2, 3. Need a 3, need a 5, need a 7. 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7. Ah, 4 and a 9 overlooked. We have a 9 in the first row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the third row, so the row between the second row. Only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 4. Need a 9, need a 9 here. Okay. In this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in the first row. No 9 there. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. And here can be a 9. We have a 9 in the last row. No 9 there. So the only place left of 9 in this column should be there. 1, 7, and a 3. Well, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7. And look, we have 3 in this column, so no 3 in this box. So the 1 and the 7 are left. Here we have a pair 1 and a 7. That means that box should be a 3 then. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 8, we have 8, 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so we come next. Now only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so will come next. The only place level 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only place level 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 5. Well, need an 8 here. And I need an 8 here. One box left in this column. I believe the 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so the third column. The only place left with 7 should be there. 1 or a 7. We have a 7 now, so this box should be a 1. 1 or a 7. We have a 1 in this column, so this box should be a 7. 1 or a 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so this box should be a 1. 1 or 7. We have a 1 in this row, so this box should be a 7. One box left now in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 8 and 9, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Here also 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 and 8, we have a 1 now in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 16 minutes. Well, not faster than 15. Let me give this 2 stars. If I'm faster than 15, then it will be a 1 star. So not a 4, not a 3. Let me give this 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third and last regular puzzle, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.